If you're choosing between Bluebeam Revu and Adobe Acrobat, this is really a specialized tool versus general-purpose standard battle. So the real question is, can Bluebeam actually replace Adobe, and is it cheaper? Let's break it down. Pricing and value. Bluebeam Revu, typically $300 a year. Adobe Acrobat, around $20 to $30 a month, $240 to $360 a year. So pricing is actually very similar, but Bluebeam often gives better value for specific industries, while Adobe charges for its brand and ecosystem. Core differences. Bluebeam Revu, built mainly for architecture, engineering, and construction, AEC, workflows, advanced markup tools, measurements, and Takeoff's real-time collaboration. Studio sessions, much better for working with technical drawings and PDFs. Adobe Acrobat, industry-standard PDF tool for all use cases, strong editing, file conversion, forms, and e-signatures, works across more industries, legal, business, education, etc. Better compatibility with all types of PDFs, ease of use, and workflow. Adobe Acrobat is more beginner-friendly, and Universal Bluebeam has a learning curve, but is far more powerful for technical workflows. Simple way to think about it. Adobe equals Swiss Army knife, Bluebeam equals professional toolbox, adult laptop computer, real-world performance for general PDF editing, forms, signing, conversion. Adobe Acrobat wins for markups, collaboration, and working on plans/drawings. Bluebeam is significantly better. From real user feedback, Bluebeam is like Acrobat on steroids for engineering workflows. Final verdict. Bluebeam can be a cheaper Adobe alternative, but only for the right users. Choose Bluebeam Revu if you work in construction, engineering, or deal with technical PDFs. Choose Adobe Acrobat if you want a universal, all-purpose PDF tool. Bottom line, Bluebeam is not a full replacement for everyone, but in its niche, it's actually better and often worth switching to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.